The 55th participant in the Silva Challenge is the killer of rock and roll Hot Wheels customs. 55. Wow. Anyhow, Colin, the killer. One thing, he made a request, kind of. And, I don't do requests on the challenge, but he mentioned vans or wagons. I guess he hadn't done vans or wagons. I don't know that I have any wagons that I could find easily, but vans, Lord knows I've got vans. So I spiked the bin with a couple vans. This one, the Hot Wheels Art Series van. I recently did this with the Jack Skellington theme. So let's throw that in here. And then here's an old Matchbox Superfast Chevy van. Porthole windows. You gotta love that. There's times where I just really miss these old vans. I really wouldn't mind having one now if it was in decent running condition. That's probably the problem. Yeah. What is... That's a bizarre looking car. This is just made in China, no other reference to it. I don't know why the front end makes me think Pinto. The back makes me think Ranchero of some kind if that had a bed. Side windows are pretty weird. But hey, that's perfect for one of these. For a post-apocalyptic themed build of some kind. How about a truck? Oh, that's made in China. That's awfully nice. I actually thought that was a Hot Wheels casting at first. Yeah, I'm sure you can do something with that. That's pretty cool, actually. Bricking speed. Oh, yeah, obviously this is a Lego thing. Maybe you can use that as a base for something. Huh. Miata? MX-48 Turbo. Yeah, obviously, not a Miata, but makes you think of one. This is the part that doesn't. It's been a while since I did the last Silva Challenge boxing. I don't know. I've had stuff going on, Quick and slick. Huh. Okay. That's Hot Wheels, by the way. Now that's ugly, but it comes with a wrench. Oh, jeez. Really? Tooligan? Really? Hot Wheels? Tooligan. Sometimes I think they have no shame. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's a McDonald's Hot Wheels. That looks Prowler based to me. What do I know? Woo! Lots of engine on that. The Crazy Eights. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. I was thinking it might be like 2 8-cylinders, which is why they're calling it Crazy Eights, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8. I thought it had 9 intakes at first. I thought, wait a minute. But, oh, that'd be kind of cool for an off-road kind of thing. Oh, wonder why that's gold underneath. Does it do something? Is there a special feature to this or something? No. They just put gold under it. Vendetta. It's supposed to be a van. Who knew? What was that? Oh, that's got to be a Batmobile. Yeah, that's got to be a Batmobile. Yeah, DC Comics. Yeah. Yeah. Had to be a Batmobile. It just had to. There's some things that just have that look. Fast Fish. I have sent this out and others as well. Fast Fish is, this might be the casting that Tom over at Spork Syndicate is doing a series of builds on, monthly builds on this year. Something like that. I think it was the Fast Fish. I mean, it's a cool looking casting. Yeah. But yeah, I think I'm right on that. Check out Spork Syndicate. See what he's doing over there. I think it's that. That's got to be a Mustang. Looking at the taillights, got to be a Mustang. Doesn't say. But, yeah. My vote is it's a Mustang. Eesh. Torque screw. It's actually kind of like the Fast Fish. Glow? It glows in the dark. The HW Warp Speeder. Ooh. Yes, I know. I'm probably not well. RD08. Plastic body, metal base, off-road tires. Sure. What kind of space do I have left in here? That doesn't close. Matchbox. Limousine. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. We got a little tiny spot there. What are we going to stick in there? I think it's too big. What do we got that's small? Oof. Oh. Yeah. What the? Curbside. Hot Wheels. Okay. Obviously a pickup bed. That's about the only thing that's obvious about it. Tailgate. But check it out. That fits perfectly. Let me get these out of the way. Pardon any noise there. Okay, so there's that. And now for the 3D stuff. There's guns going in. There's tires, wheels going in. There's push bars going in, exhausts going in. More exhausts going in. Big skulls going in. More. Oh, there's a little tiny skull in there. Yeah. Gun. More guns, smaller guns. Wheels. I don't know that I said wheels yet, but wheels. Guns. More guns. Ooh, curly gun. I need to print more 3D stuff here to do more of the challenges. As you can see, there's some little tiny skulls in there. Both provided by Lee over at Time Riders Wee Little Cars and Joel over at Radio Flyer Diecast. So let's put those in there. Sprinkle them in there. Okay. So there you go, Colin. This is going to be heading your way. As I am recording this, we're going into the weekend. So it will probably go out Monday or Tuesday. So hopefully you'll have it by the end of next week. And have fun with it. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. I'll catch you in the next one.